Today we're doing a deep dive into Fetch AI, a coin that has been absolutely blowing up and dominating the AI crypto narrative. We'll be covering everything you need to know about Fetch AI, including what the project is all about, who's behind it, the tokenomics, the current market cap, and even some price targets and buying opportunities so that you can get straight in on the action. So what exactly is Fetch AI? Well, in simple terms, Fetch AI is a decentralized network that utilizes AI and machine learning to create a system of autonomous economic agents. Now, these agents are very simple. They can perform a variety of tasks like data sharing, optimizing supply chains, and even managing smart cities. The idea is to build a decentralized digital world where these agents can operate independently to perform tasks efficiently without the need for any human intervention, which is what AI is all about. The Fetch AI network is built on its own blockchain, which is specifically designed to support these autonomous agents, which gives the network the scalability and efficiency it needs to handle all these complex operations in real time. Essentially, Fetch AI is just trying to revolutionize the way the digital economies operate by leveraging AI and blockchain technology to remove any sort of human task. Now let's talk about a bit of the team behind Fetch AI. The project was co-founded by Humayun Sheikh, Toby Simpson, and Thomas Hain. Humayun Sheikh, the CEO, has a strong background in the AI and machine learning space. He was an early investor in DeepMind, which was later acquired by Google. Toby Simpson, the COO, was the lead developer at DeepMind, so the team clearly has a deep expertise in AI already. And Thomas Hain is the Chief Science Officer. He is a professor of AI at the University of Sheffield and has over 2 decades of experience in the field. The team is really strong and experienced, which allows Fetch AI to be in a very good position to lead the AI and blockchain space in crypto. This is a major plus for investors who are looking for projects with strong leadership and projects that have a team with a strong background. Next up, we have the tokenomics of Fetch AI, so let's break it down. The native token of Fetch AI is called FET, and it's primarily used to pay for transactions on the network and to reward the nodes that validate these transactions. The total supply of FET is capped at 1.15 billion. The distribution of tokens is as follows. Around 11% was allocated to the team and advisors, around 24% went to the Foundation for Development and the Ecosystem Growth, 17% was sold off in the token sale, and then the rest is reserved for staking rewards, validators, and network participants. This distribution is fairly standard and designed to ensure that the network remains decentralized while also rewarding participants who contribute to the network's security and functionality. If you're also enjoying the video so far, make sure to leave a like and subscribe as it will help out a lot. As of now, Fetch AI has a current market cap of around $2.8 billion, with FET trading at approximately $1.10. The token has seen significant price movement over the past year, driven by growing interest in AI and blockchain applications, as we've seen with the growth of Nvidia, which has become now one of the best performing stocks of this year, and it even overtook Apple as the biggest company in the world this year at around a $3 trillion market cap. Fetch AI has also secured several key partnerships, including collaborations with Bosch and IOTA, which have further boosted its profile in the crypto space. Now, given its current market cap and the potential of AI-driven decentralized applications, Fetch is still really undervalued, especially when compared to other AI and blockchain projects. FET has also had a merger recently with the ASI token, which involved the merger of AGIX and Ocean to merge into FET. Now, let's quickly take a look at the charts and get some price targets and buying opportunities for FET. So here we can see FET. I've talked about it in a previous video, and also I've done many calls and alerts on it in the Discord, which is linked down below. In the Discord, we're looking to buy at this current market price right here, which was the low currently, and it's overall, I think, one of the best buying opportunities. We have this strong demand zone right here, and now it's really sort of just established slightly above. It allowed a huge pump in the previous weeks to around $1.40, which was around a 40-50% gain from this level right here, and since then it's come back down slightly, which we also called in a video that it should come down to this yellow level at around $1 to $1.13. At the time of making this video, it's trading at $1.18, and even here it's still a good buying opportunity. I would obviously want to buy it as low as possible, you know, get a dollar, sub $1, even 60 cents if possible. One of the best strategies that I use to accumulate these coins at a good price is just dollar cost averaging. Very simple. the way I do it. I know a lot of people set on auto buys, to buy every single week, every single month, that sort of thing. I'm not a big fan of that. I would much rather prefer to buy in, let's say you have $1,000, buy $200 here, and then next time it drops, buy another, $300 that time. If it drops lower, buy $400. And each time it goes lower, you want to add more. That way you're getting the best possible average price. You're not buying the same amount every time, which will dilute your average price slightly higher. Instead, you're buying more and it's diluting the price lower. That will allow you to get the best market price. And again, if it does just randomly shoot up, you'll have already bought some. Obviously it won't be a full position, but nevertheless you'll have mitigated risk, and you'll still be in the trade nonetheless. So some targets that I'd be looking to buy at: the current market price of around $1.17 to $1, somewhere here. Again, this is going to be quite a big difference of like 17%, but it is quite volatile. So at the time of making this video, it's at $1.17, but when I upload it might be at $1.08, $1. The crypto market is looking a bit weak right now. We don't have any major catalyst. I think the major catalyst will be the election, so we'll have to wait for that. First entry somewhere around here. Second entry, if we do go below, around 95 to 78 cents. And then the third entry is going to be the real low ball at around 50 cents. So we have some entries marked on. I'd set some limit orders for those. Again, just divide whatever cash you have for these entries, and then we have price targets. Now, the good thing about Fetch is that we already saw a lot of its potential at the start of the year, where we hit $3.50, and even then that wasn't all of the potential that Fetch has. It was the all-time high. We did enter price discovery, which was around a 3x multiple from its previous all-time high, which again is great. It shows that there's still a lot of potential. It's very, very strong. Obviously we've fallen down now to its previous all-time high nearly, but this is still a great buying opportunity. Now, the price targets I'd be looking at are going to be, if you're looking for a shorter trade, a shorter term trade, then $2.50 to $2.90. This sort of order block that we have here is going to be a good area to sell. This is your short-term sort of pessimistic targets. If you're just looking for a quick 3x, then again, this is what I'd look to sell at. If you're someone that is looking to hold more long-term and you're really trying to get a lot of the gains in, then you could be looking at $5, $7.50, even $10, which is a 10x multiple from here. So you put in $1,000, you'd be looking to cash out $10,000. It is very possible. Fetch, very undervalued. I mean, we saw what it did this year already, $3.50, which is only a 2.5x multiple from that area, and it's still undervalued. Nvidia has seen insane growth. It's got a $3 trillion market cap right now. I'm not saying Fetch AI is going to go to a $3 trillion market cap, but it definitely has potential, and the AI space, especially in crypto, is still growing massively, and Fetch has got a lot of that market capitalization in that space. So that's why I think it's going to be such a strong coin. Now, if you did enjoy the video, make sure to like, subscribe. It will really help out a lot. Also, check out the Discord down below to get my trades, long-term crypto holds, and more. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you all in the next one. Goodbye, guys.